Yeah! What up, party people? How's it going? It's Mr. Cloud.
And I'm Mrs. Cloud, and welcome to the
Feeling Show! Hey, we are so excited that you are here today, and we get to learn about another feeling today. Hey, what feeling are we learning about today, Miss Cloud?
Oh boy, today we get to learn about the feeling angry. And then afterwards, we're going to play a game.
Wait, angry? Is that like mad?
Yeah, angry and mad mean the same thing.
Oh, hey, have you ever felt angry or mad before? You have? Me too. Hey, can I introduce you to another feeling? Right here. It's angry. Say hi, angry. Yeah. Hey, what do you notice about Angry's face? Let's look at Angry's face. Oh, Angry's eyebrows go down like that. They're going down and together. Oh, look at those eyebrows. And look at Angry's mouth. It goes like this. Can you make your face look like angry? Let me see. Oh, you're doing it. Your eyebrows are going down and together. Yeah. And your mouth is going like this. You look angry. Your face looks just like Angry's face. You're doing it. Hey, Miss Cloud, has there ever been a time where you felt angry or mad?
Oh yeah, there sure has. This one time, I was playing with my toys and someone started being mean to me. And he was making lots of faces at me. It made me really mad.
Oh no, Miss Cloud looks like she's feeling angry. Look at her face. Look at how her eyebrows are going together like that. Woo! And look at how her mouth is going like that too. Boy, oh boy, does she look angry. Oh, Miss Cloud, what did you do when you felt so angry?
I took a really big deep breath to calm my body down.
Oh, look, Miss Cloud has taken a big deep belly breath to calm down. Oh, look, she feels happy again. Sorry he wasn't being very nice to you, Miss Cloud.
Yeah, he wasn't being very nice. Hey, Mr. Cloud, have you ever felt angry before?
Oh, yes, I have. This one time, I was playing and somebody started throwing balls at me. And it was hitting me everywhere. Ooh, I didn't like that. I started to feel angry.
Wow, Mr. Cloud looks like he is super angry. Look at Mr. Cloud's face. See how his eyebrows are getting all bunched up like that? And look at his mouth, too. It's going together really tight. Boy, oh boy, Mr. Cloud looks angry. Mr. Cloud, you were really angry. What did you do to calm down?
I had to take a really big belly breath to calm down.
Oh, look, Mr. Cloud is taking a really big breath to calm down. Look, he's feeling happy again. Sorry they were being mean to you, Mr. Cloud, but good job calming down. Hey, do you think it's time to play a game?
A game? I think so. You did really good learning about the feeling angry. Okay, let's play a game called the Angry Game. I might say angry, and you gotta look really angry and stomp around. Boo, doo, ha, ho, ha, ha. But then sometimes I might say happy, and you gotta go gee. And then sometimes I might say crazy, and you gotta go crazy. Okay, ready? Here we go. Angry. Boo, ho, ho, hoo, ha, hey, ho, ho, ho. Happy. Oh, angry. Happy. Crazy. Oh. Angry. happy, crazy, angry, happy, crazy.
Great work, everyone! Thanks for coming to the Feeling Show to learn about the feeling angry. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm Mrs. Cloud.
And I'm Mr. Cloud, like in the sky. We'll see you next time. Bye!